everyone, it's Lois Avellanet with Easy as Pie Stamping. Today I'm excited to share with you my first product haul from the 2020-21 annual catalog that goes live today. Stay tuned for all the details. I post weekly videos on rubber stamping projects, techniques, and tips. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos. I have 17 new products to show you today. I don't know how they do it, but Stampin' Up! Always seems to make more beautiful and versatile products every year. As someone who's been using Stampin' Up! Products for 21 years, I enjoy teaching people all about paper crafting. Next, I want to introduce you to the 2020-2022 in colors. We have Magenta Madness, Bumblebee, Cinnamon Cider, Just Jade, and Misty Moonlight. Aren't these colors just so gorgeous? I love them all. Can't wait to make projects with these beautiful, beautiful colors. And remember, the Flowers for Every Season DSP features these colors. First, I have products for you from the Flowers for Every Season suite found in pages 10 through 13. This suite features the new in colors Bumblebee, Cinnamon Cider, Just Jade, Magenta Madness, Misty Moonlight, plus Poppy Parade. The Jar of Flowers photopolymer stamp set can be found on page 12. It features 4 different bouquet images, and it is also one of our reversible type stamps, which means that some of the stamps can be stamped with both sides of the stamp. So on one side of the stamp there is a detailed image like this or this or this, and then on the reverse side you can use it to fill in a solid image. So you could take this detailed image and stamp it, and then stamp this image on top of it to fill it in with color. The jar punch can be found on page 168. You can use it to punch out stamped images or punch from the center of a card front to be used with the shaker domes. Here are the shaker domes. You would punch out the front of your card and then adhere this to the back side with the dome sticking up, and then you can fill it with little sequins or gems or any little thing that you would like to use for your project. The Flowers for Every Season Memories and More card pack can be found on page 155. There are 50 cards, 2 each of 25 designs. The cards are 3" by 4" and 4" by 6", and there are 4 sticker sheets. So let me just show you a few of the images. We got this really pretty one that says Bloom and Grow. Here's some pretty sunflowers. Here's the sticker sheets. So it has words and leaves and flowers that you can use. And look, here's one in Magenta Madness, one of our new in colors. This is called Flowers for Every Season, so this could be used, you know, for a Christmas card. And here are the other 2 sticker sheets. We have let me turn it this way. We have some flowers, some bows, some labels. Oh, here's a pretty one that says Love. And then here's the smaller ones. See, there's 2 of each design. Some pretty tulips. Oh, here's another one you could use for Christmas. Oh, here's some pretty poinsettias. So really lovely, lovely flowers on these cards. Continuing on with the Flowers for Every Season suite, we have the ribbon combo pack, which includes this pretty gingham in Just Jade and Whisper White, and this is 3/8 inch wide ribbon. Then we have the pretty Whisper White faux linen ribbon that's 1/2 inch wide, and it's a really sheer, delicate ribbon that you can see through. So you can see my fingers through the ribbon. It's very, very pretty. And then we have this really unique baker's twine. It's with the Misty Moonlight and Whisper White and silver, if you can see that. Really pretty ribbon. Next we have the Flowers for Every Season gems. They can be found on page 158. There are 300 faceted gems and epoxy drops in clear and just jade. They are 3 millimeters and 4 millimeters. So let me just show you this really quick. Okay, and then we have the clear epoxy drops. So they're a smooth, kind of like a half dome. And then we have the just jade faceted gems, and they're similar to our rhinestones, and they also come in 2 sizes. Now I want to show you the in color enamel dots. There are 100 in a package, and they are 4 millimeters wide. They come in the new in colors Bumblebee, Cinnamon Cider, Misty Moonlight, Just Jade, Magenta Madness. These will be perfect for adding that special touch to your cards. Next I want to show you the Gilded Gems. They are part of the Ornate Garden Suite. They can be found on page 157. There are 90 in a package in 4 sizes, 3, 4, 5, and 6 millimeter. Next I want to show you the Forever Greenery DSP. It's part of the Forever Greenery Suite, which can be found on pages 108 through 110. It's lush greenery images in Garden Green, Pear Pizzazz, Just Jade, Pretty Peacock, Shaded Spruce, and Soft Seafoam. Let me show you each of the 12 designs. So really, really lovely paper. And as you can see, some of it could be used for Christmas cards, and some of it could be used for masculine cards. So it is a very versatile DSP package. And let me show you that I also have the Just Jade twill ribbon. It is 1/4 inch, and see how pretty it goes with this paper. And then let me just show you again the Just Jade gingham that goes with the Flowers for Every Season, but it also works perfectly with this DSP. And then the other in color ribbon that I purchased was the Misty Moonlight. So it's also the 1/4 inch twill. Oh, and then I also wanted to show you that these Flowers for Every Season gems also coordinate with the Forever Greenery DSP. It's because it's got the clear and the Just Jade. Next I want to show you the Blossoms in Bloom bundle. First let's look at the photopolymer stamp set. It can be found on page 51. It's one of our distinctive type stamps, which means that it's very photorealistic when stamped. This one has 7 sentiments and lots of pretty floral and leaf images. This bundle also contains the many layered Blossoms dies. It can be found on page 174. There are 6 dies in this set. These cut the outline image of the floral, so you're going to get an image like this. I made this card with the dies. I used Blackberry Bliss for the outline image, And then I use terracotta tile with this die for the background color. And then I use the bumblebee for my card base. And I use some of the Flowers for Every Season gems, the epoxy drops here, here, and here. And then I use this small outline flower and put a small epoxy drop in the center and colored it with my Blackberry Bliss Stampin' Blends marker. Item I want to show you is the Gilded Gems. They're from the Ornate Garden suite, and they come in 4 sizes from 3mm up to 6mm, and there are 90 pieces in a package. Next up, I have the World of Good Memories and More card pack, which is part of the World of Good suite. This Memories and More cards can be found on page 155. There are 50 cards in a package, 2 each of 25 designs. They are 3 inches by 4 inches and 4 inches by 6, and there are 4 sticker sheets. The cards feature Bumblebee, Cinnamon Cider, Crumb Cake, Early Espresso, Misty Moonlight, Mossy Meadow, and Black. So let me just show you a few of the cards that we have here. And also I forgot to mention that this suite has brass accents. So isn't that just so beautiful? Very, very pretty. And then here are the sticker sheets. And there are 4 different ones. So lots of fun images, and you can see that there are lots of brass accents. And see, look at that, that's really nice. So this would be great for scrapbooking a trip or for masculine cards. Let's just flip through a few of these. Dare to live the life you've always wanted. What a wonderful world. Our journey, so perfect for journaling, lines there. Life is meant for adventures. Explore more. The world cracks open for those willing to take a risk. Frances Mays. So just really pretty imagery, really pretty color combination. Just love this. Can't wait to start playing with that. And then part of this suite, let me show you here, is this beautiful Early Espresso faux suede ribbon. It's also 1/4 inch wide. I know it's probably really hard to see, but it feels like, you know, suede, and it's just a really soft, pretty ribbon. And then my final thing I want to show you is the Old World paper 3D embossing folder. So it's kind of hard to see, but it kind of has this random wrinkled look. And so what it does is it gives you the look of that old world paper, like the parchment or maps. So it's textured and it's just really nice. And then I wanted to show you something that I learned on someone else's video. They said that one of the ways that they make sure that a paper cutter is really good is if it will cut embossed paper. And I have actually done this. I've tried to cut embossed paper with my old paper trimmers, and it just gets this really jagged edge. It doesn't, the blade doesn't cut smoothly through the paper. And I just wanted to show you that this actually, our new paper trimmer, it works really great for that. So I'm going to line this up on the 4 1/4 mark so that it's sized for a card front. Do you hear how that just cut right through there? Look at that. Very, very straight, very, very smooth. So if you're looking for a new paper trimmer, our new paper trimmer is fabulous. Grab your free downloadable in-color chart. The The link is below. Head on over to my blog right now and sign up for my email newsletter. It has techniques, tips, classes, projects, and promotions every week. The link is below. If you like this video, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up and subscribing. Thank you for visiting Easiest by Stamping. I look forward to helping you create pretty projects. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, and remember, do something creative every day.